Now we want to find out how much carbon dioxide we can press into water. Therefore, we have to select our components from the component database. So this is on the home screen. Select components. And we want to remove this carbon dioxide from a biogas stream, which mainly contains methane. So as the first component, we have methane, then carbon dioxide, and water, which we want to use to remove the carbon dioxide. So this is our preliminary component list. And in order to do the calculations, we have to select thermodynamics. There's special tutorials for this. So here I just move through it. I don't want to use the Raoult's law because dissolving gases in water is well modeled with the Henry's law. So here we select, and the K-value models Henry's law. The rest remains unchanged. So our thermodynamic is set up, and we have to draw our flow sheet. So we have two feed streams, the water and the biogas, and we have one equilibrium stage, which is modeled with the flash unit up. Then we have two product streams. This is the gas stream, which should contain more methane than carbon dioxide, and the water, which is leaving the vessel. So I connect the streams by moving from a red dot to a blue dot. And this is my first flow sheet.